Hello everyone, welcome back to Machines Visit, where every fruit and vegetable hides a story you probably never imagined. Today, we're uncovering something most people completely overlook: parsley. Yes, that small green herb sitting quietly on your plate, often ignored, sometimes even thrown away. But what if I told you that this simple garnish is part of a massive, high-stakes agricultural system? In fact, the United States alone produces over 121 million pounds of parsley every single year. That's not decoration, that's an industry. But here's the real question: what does it actually take to grow, harvest, and deliver parsley so fresh that it reaches your plate looking perfect? Because behind those soft green leaves, there's precision, pressure, and a race against time. In this video, we're going deep, from how parsley grows to the powerful machines and skilled hands that harvest it, and what really happens after it leaves the soil. And trust me, some of it might surprise you. So sit back, because this isn't just about a herb anymore. This is a story of timing, technology, and quiet intensity. Let's begin. Parsley might look simple, but it's far from basic. It's actually a biennial plant, meaning its full life cycle spans 2 years, and every stage matters. It comes in two main types: curly leaf parsley, the decorative one most people recognize, and flat leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley, the one chefs secretly prefer for its stronger flavor. Under the right conditions, parsley grows between 12 to 18 inches tall, forming dense clusters of bright green leaves. But what most people don't realize is, in its second year, it also produces delicate white or yellowish flowers, a stage farmers often try to avoid if they want premium leaves. Because once it flowers, the flavor changes. Parsley is surprisingly sensitive. It thrives in mild climates, needing temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything outside that range can affect its growth. That's why states like California and Florida dominate production. It demands well-drained soil, constant moisture, sunlight, and careful nutrient balance. Too much water? It suffers. Too little? Growth slows down. There's no room for guesswork. And then comes the timing, one of the most critical factors. Parsley is usually ready for harvest 70 to 90 days after planting. But here's the catch: harvest too early, and the flavor isn't fully developed. Wait too long, and quality starts dropping. Farmers are working against a narrow window, where everything has to be just right. In warmer regions, parsley can be harvested year-round. But in cooler climates, the window tightens, usually late spring or early fall. And when that moment arrives, everything speeds up, because with over 121 million pounds harvested annually, this isn't just farming. It's a carefully controlled operation where efficiency and precision decide everything. And this is where things get even more intense. Modern farms rely on a combination of advanced machinery and human skill, a balance between speed and care. In massive parsley fields, industrial harvesting machines move through crops with surgical precision. These machines aren't just cutting plants. They're engineered to protect them. Sharp, adjustable blades slice the parsley just above the ground, carefully designed to avoid damaging stems and leaves. Because even slight damage can reduce market value. The moment parsley is cut, it's instantly transferred on conveyor belts built into the machine. And this is where things get critical, because parsley is fragile. Too much pressure and it bruises. Too much movement and it tears. So these conveyor systems are designed to handle the leaves as gently as possible, almost like carrying something delicate and expensive. At the same time, built-in mechanisms shake off dirt and debris, ensuring the parsley is already relatively clean before it even leaves a field. All of this happens in seconds. These machines can harvest thousands of pounds in a single day, covering huge areas with speed that manual labor simply can't match. And they don't work alone. They're often paired with transport vehicles that move alongside them, collecting parsley in real time. No delays, no stopping, because every extra minute risks freshness. This seamless system allows farms to operate continuously, maximizing output while preserving quality. But here's something most people don't realize. Even with all this technology, machines aren't always the best option. Because when it comes to premium quality parsley, the kind used in gourmet kitchens, The process becomes slower, more careful, and far more human. On smaller farms or for high-end markets, workers still walk through fields by hand, cutting parsley one bunch at a time using knives or scissors. It's slower, it's harder, and it requires serious attention. Workers must carefully select only mature, healthy leaves, leaving younger ones behind to grow. One wrong cut, and the plant's future yield is affected. This method demands precision and patience, but the result? Parsley of exceptional quality. On some farms, there's a hybrid system. Freshly picked parsley is placed directly onto portable conveyor belts right in the field. This allows immediate cleaning and packing, reducing the time between harvest and market. Because again, time is everything. The faster parsley is processed, the fresher it stays, maintaining its bright green color, crisp texture, and strong flavor. And that's what consumers notice first. Hand harvesting may be slower and more labor-intensive, but it plays a crucial role, not just in quality, but also in providing jobs in rural communities. It's not just about efficiency anymore. It's about balance. And that balance is what keeps this entire system running. And then comes the side of parsley farming that most people never even think about. Its economic significance. Because this isn't just about growing herbs anymore. It's about an industry that supports farmers, workers, supply chains, and global demand. Once the parsley leave the field, its journey is far from over. In fact, this is where the real pressure begins. When parsley arrives at processing facilities, everything shifts into high gear. Every second matters, because freshness isn't just important, it's everything. This stage is all about one thing: delivering a product that looks perfect, tastes fresh, and lasts longer than you'd expect. The first step? Cleaning, but not the simple kind. Parsley is washed multiple times using high-powered water systems, combined with gentle movement. It sounds aggressive, but it has to be controlled. Too rough, and the leaves tear. Too soft, and dirt stays behind. Every single leaf must come out spotless. After washing, the parsley moves into sorting. And this is where quality control gets strict. Leaves that show even slight discoloration, damage, or weakness are immediately removed. There's no compromise. Here, advanced machines and trained workers work side by side. Because even the best technology still relies on human judgment. Only the best makes it through. Then comes processing. The parsley is chopped into precise, smaller portions, depending on where it's going next. Fresh herb mixes, ready-to-use packets, or frozen products, everything is decided here. And again, speed is critical, because the longer it sits, the more it loses. Once chopped, the parsley is quickly sealed, either vacuum-packed or stored in moisture-resistant packaging. This locks in flavor, preserves texture, and extends shelf life. Some of it takes a completely different path: drying. In this process, parsley is carefully dehydrated and turned into a long-lasting spice, one that can sit on shelves for months without losing its aroma. But here's something most people don't realize. Parsley isn't just about the leaves. There's another side to this plant, one that's often ignored, but just as valuable: the roots. Known as root parsley or Hamburg parsley, this variety is grown specifically for its thick, edible root, something that looks like a pale carrot, but tastes entirely different. It's starchy, slightly sweet, and carries a flavor somewhere between celery and carrots. And unlike the leaves, timing here is even more critical. These roots are usually harvested in late fall, when they reach their peak size and flavor. Too early, and they're underdeveloped. Too late, and quality drops. Harvesting them is a completely different challenge. Specialized machines, similar to carrot harvesters, are used to dig deep into the soil and lift the roots carefully. Because damage here isn't just cosmetic, it directly affects value. These machines use rotating blades and digging arms to loosen the soil and pull the roots out gently, minimizing breakage. Once unearthed, the roots are immediately transferred onto conveyor systems built into machines. From there, they move into sorting bins, where excess oil is removed and every root is inspected. Only the best pass through. And just like with leaves, speed matters, because the longer roots sit after harvesting, the more they lose moisture, flavor, and quality. Efficient harvesting and quick transport ensure that they reach processing facilities while still fresh and firm. This entire system dramatically increases productivity, allowing farmers to harvest large quantities in a fraction of the time compared to manual labor. And during peak seasons, that speed isn't optional. It's survival. Automation doesn't just save time. It reduces labor costs, improves consistency, and ensures that every batch meets market standards. In today's agriculture, where demand keeps rising, that level of precision isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Once inside processing facilities, parsley roots go through similar steps as the leaves. They're washed thoroughly, peeled, and often cut into slices or cubes, depending on their final use. Some are so fresh. Some are frozen for long-term storage, and others are dried and ground into powders, used in seasoning blends and packaged foods. Every form serves a different market, but the goal stays the same: quality, freshness, reliability. And when you step back and look at the full picture, the story of parsley in America becomes something much bigger than expected. It's a balance between tradition and technology. From its origins in the Mediterranean to massive farms in California, parsley has quietly become a key part of modern food culture. Whether it's harvested by powerful machines or carefully cut by hand, whether it's packed fresh or dried into spice, every step is calculated. Every second matters. So the next time you see parsley on your plate, whether sprinkled over a meal or blended into a rich, warm soup, think about what it took to get there. Because behind those 121 million pounds, there's more than just farming. There's pressure, precision, and a system that never slows down. And most people never even notice it. See you in the next one.